of the Integra, dude. I just saw that.
Yeah,
You all right? How long ago?
Good. I didn't have a scratch on me.
No shit, dude.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I was like, I had wondered why I hadn't seen that car in a minute, and then I saw that. I was like, dude.
Yeah.
What you doing on this? Just some suspension?
So I just put the motor in it.
Okay.
It's pretty much fully built. Head's built.
Just gonna be a sleeper, nice and clean.
Yeah, it's gonna be a sleeper. So yeah, I'm doing suspension now, and then Shawn's gonna work up some boost pipes and stuff for it after I'm all done over here. And
it's gonna be a beast. Just a certified PFI beast.
Yeah, for sure, certified ripper.
Certified. What does it say at Popeyes? Certified South or?
Yeah, something like that.
Certified Cajun? No.
Oh, my memory is big. Yeah, it's pretty wild. But he's had this project. He started in Oklahoma City, and he's always kind of been behind. Awesome. And all the metal work's done under the hood to put a J series in it. And
Which they should have came with stock.
Well, all right.
It's like one of my favorites. All right, so this one wheel is crappy, and so that's our. It's gonna want to like turn on us a little bit.
Yeah, so basically the front wheels are gonna fight each other.
Yeah.
So one of them's gonna take control, the other one's not. So I usually just try to.
How's that one looking?
Looks like we're going left.
You're gonna want to turn towards you guys though, because the way that, yeah, there we go. And then straight, but not too fast because that's a wobbly bitch. There you go. There you go.
How are you doing on your ramp?
We're on it. We're fine.
We're on it.
Yeah, we're good. Just let her go. Yeah.
Work.
I like the little 5-speed badge. Like, boom.
The grill. Basically the front head is like right here.
Woo.
Yeah.
That's cool as shit. So you're gonna see a cool, like, shiny titanium manifold go into a turbo right below that.
Yeah, the turbo just hangs out the front.
Just like one of the headlights.
Yeah.
You're gonna need 4-inch holes that are the headlight holes anyways for the turbo.
But there's headlight buckets, headlights in there.
For intercooler piping.
I mean, that's fab stuff boxed in those corners.
That's cool as shit.
Making it fit.
Sheesh.
It's like if you try to drive this truck with the e-brake on, you know? That's what that goes to. But it seems solid.
Yeah, so a lot of 4x4 stuff, they actually, you can put a disc brake on one of your components there for a parking brake and stuff like that. Like, oh my god. That kind of before it was.
Be like a rotor on the Max, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Have a block that would be perfect.
Yeah.
brand new Altima with 28,000 miles. We're in the middle of fucking nowhere. Here we go. Slow as shit. Don't even hit 100. Fuck. Alright guys, so I got the shifter cables connected with the K-tune shifter thing on. I got the oil pressure sensor, the throttle cable, the return cable for the fuel connected, the brake booster. Gonna throw on the exhaust mani. Got the shifter out here. Got the starter out here, wrinkle black. Got it all wrinkle black. Got the shifter all connected in here. So it's all ran and routed into the hole. Next thing I'm gonna do is connect the fuel feed, put the mani on, route the harness, and do some other shit. Bro, my car is shutting off. The shit I have to do. Had to do some maintenance on the daily. I got some ripped boots on both of my axles. The post on my alternator, which is an aftermarket alternator, broke off, and the OEM shocks. So what we have here is lowering springs, and then I had parted out some Civics before, so I had axles that are, the boots aren't torn. And then I was having an issue with my car when it was running, the battery light would stay dim, and I tried fixing the alternator plug. I tried a bunch of other stuff, and it turns out that the alternator was an aftermarket alternator, so the things that regulate it inside the alternator were fucked up. And I had an OEM alternator from Honda, those are the best, so I threw that in there and that's fixed now. So now we just got to throw the axle in, take the shock out, change the fork, put it on the other shock, install the shock, install the new axle, and then put everything back together. Alright guys, got those lowering springs in. You can see the difference between the back and the front. The back is nice and high. Now the front's nice and low. I love it.
PG selfie stick?
MySpace angles? Remember that shit?
Así, güey, watch out.
Hey, number TV, bro, that's amazing. Look at that. Look, when you spend $20 on your selfie stick. I got that hyper smooth though. It's all good.
That waffle camera thing?
You see that? My shit's low and I can sit with you guys now. Bueno, kinda low. The headers on way. Just enough for my car. What? The headers?
he did go. What the fuck?
This thing just launches really good.
Dude, he did go. I did not see him. Woo, got the turbo SC400. Son of a fucking bitch. Now I know that's low boost as fuck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like,
I'm only running like 12 pounds right now. This thing is built to
oh yeah,
for like 600 horsepower.
Stock, you can fucking. That's fucking. Yeah, my first car ever was a 92 SC400.
Okay.
And I had the 1GZ. Fucking. Holy shit.
Oh yeah.
Woo! It's a beast,
wild,
man.
yeah.
Dude, seriously, man.
Over far east side El Paso, $1,000.
No shit, dude.
Yeah, blown head gasket. So I pulled it and rebuilt the whole damn thing.
Woo! Yes, sir. You got the Borg.
Yeah.
What size?
NAT man or what?
NAT, yeah. S3600 or S600 or S300. I mean, is the turbo. Sorry.
Oh, this.